Hey guys, this is Caleb Pickett with MarineMax here on Lake Wylie. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 Harris 230 Sunliner. So this thing is powered with 150 horsepower Mercury. Back here, you got tons of space back here to sit. You got people sitting back, just angle the seat back like that. You have a great view out here, great for the sandbar as well. And you can also lay this completely down and have a great spot for catching a tan, hanging out, whatever you plan on doing. But and then just lift it up. Now you have a traditional forward-facing seat with great storage under the front as well as the back. And you have a built-in cooler under the back seat as well. So throw some ice in there, great place for drinks. Here you got the captain's seat. You got the beautiful stitching in the seats. With the Sunliner, you do get the upgraded upholstery. Got your throttle here, easy access switches, your Clarion audio head unit, as well as the Simrad screen with maps, and it also has the engine functions to monitor all those as well. And then moving up here towards the bow, you have your tons of storage space, I should say, in here. This is your ski locker, so great place to throw some tubes, any kind of boards, bags, life jackets, whatever you need, throw it in there, get it out of the way. And then up here, tons of room for friends and family to hang out up front, catch a tan, just spend time on the water. But yeah, guys, this has been the 2024 Harris 230 Sunliner. If you want to come by, give us a call at 803-831-2101, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks, guys.